Hey folks, this is Kip Pang, the founder of BostonSpeaks, and the purpose of me going on video right now is to show you the outside of the building, how to get into the public speaking workshop, so you can kind of see what's going on. So hopefully you do not get lost. I'm going to show you the scene of how it looks like around the front of the building right now. So at 50 Milk Street, you see that flag over there. This is where the building is. And where you want to go is 50 Milk Street inside. I'm just going to be walking around. You can fast forward this if you want to. I just want to make sure that you don't get lost because some people uh, they go to a different direction, which happens all of the time. Okay, this is the entrance of 50 Milk Street. You can see the big 50 and then Milk Street. And then on Saturdays, this door is usually locked, so you have to come in here, and then usually there's a security guard. Usually this is locked, so you would have to usually knock a little bit, and then the security guard will open the door for you. I'm just gonna walk around here just a little bit to let you see the other side of this view. And again, you can fast forward this if you want to. So if you are if you know downtown, the McDonald's is over there. And so this is how it looks like from this end. So I would say go look for the CIC, the orange flag over there. So once you come in, and then when you come in, we are usually on the 16th floor. You take the elevator up. And then, as you're getting ready to go up the elevator, I hope that you're ready for your public speaking class. We will be doing exercises, getting you in front of the room to practice. I want you to be very selfish because this speaking workshop is for you. And so no questions, you might have heard this many times, no questions or dumb questions. Most people usually go to a public speaking workshop once a year, once maybe every 10 years. So ask the questions that you need. Okay. So we're on the 16th floor, and we are usually in this room right there. And of course, the top two questions that people usually ask is, where are the bathrooms? Ladies' restroom is over here. Men's restroom, if you go all the way down, you take a right, and then you'll see it there. And then we also have a kitchen where you can have water and coffee. So usually the top two questions are, where are the restrooms? And is there coffee machine? So yes, there is a coffee machine. So just to show you once you get in, you'll also know this as well, but just so you can be prepared. There's a water machine, normal water, sparkling water. There's also snacks and fruits if you would like. And then there is, yes, here is the coffee machine. For some of you who are coffee drinkers, you click and then you can click your coffee. And then that's pretty much it. Hope to see you all soon in the public speaking workshop, and let's get ready to work on your public speaking.